not because of the show, but every day I think I'm more in love with her. So,
ano yung
but
mas
the show
minahal mo kaya na team?
definitely helps in the romantic scenes. We're lucky that we get to do that for work. You know, couples like, you know, they do that in their spare time to go and find the sunset and everything. It's really romantic, but we get to do that for work, and we're so lucky.
And it's very realistic.
It is.
Hindi.
Kumakain din si Jinx. Kinikilig na ako, Teres.
Yun nga naman din po, tsaka ang tagal na din po kasi namin magkakilala. So parang naging intimate na lang nung nag-aminan. Pero even before naman po talaga, sobrang na-enjoy na po namin yung company ng isa't isa.
Pero ngayon, ano yung mas minahal mo sa kanya? Ano yung meron bang bagay na mas na kumbaga mas lalo kang na-fall in love sa kanya?
Ano to? First question ba to, Glenn? Parang kakasimula pa lang natin. Actually lang.